1941 Cadillac Series 62 4-passenger coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, 346 cubic inch flathead V8 paired up with a manual. Should be 3-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. A lot of shine in the front of a 41 Cadillac. Speaking of shine, you can see paint shows well. I mean, it is black. You may find an imperfection here or there, or a little pebble chip that's touched up, what have you. But overall, car shows well, as you can see close up. And if you want to see the still pictures, you'll be able to see the car from every angle. Underside, interior, engine bay, storage area. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all those still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on wide white wall radials, steel wheels, Cadillac wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Again, you can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. And again, paint has a nice shine to it. You can see the reflection of the wall behind me in it. Gray interior, bench seat up front. Stock looking dash. We will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Let's get a look at the chrome on the rear bumper. Taillight bezels. Again, a lot of chrome in the rear of the car too. Few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. It's a typical seeps from the powertrain. Car that's driven in this one, you can get in, turn the key, go have some fun. Brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. Did mention the heater was in op. Left wiper housing is a little loose. Passenger side was in op. And the left inner tie rod end was worn some. Just want to make you aware of that. But like I said, you can still get in the car, drive it, have some fun. Just a few things that might need some TLC down the road. As we take a look down this driver's side, if you like these 40s Cadillacs, maybe late 30s Cadillacs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. Again, you can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Reflection in that paint almost looks like it's wet. Take a peek at the door panels. Looking good. You can see seat belts have been installed up front here. Grab the keys, start it up too. It's a cloth interior, not noticing any major rips, tears, or holes. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing fired up. I'm gonna find the right key quick. And of course, it'll be the last one I try. Of course. All right, so you get a good look at the dash there, and this will be a push button start on the dash. So we're going to turn the key here, push button. Make sure we're in neutral. All right, battery gauge. And I believe still 6-volt system. We can take a peek at that. Was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp to be up. Fuel gauge and oil pressure. Other than that, like I said, looks like the old stock dash. Nice throttle response out of that flathead V8. Headliner looks good. Visor's intact. Headliner looks real good. Listen to that door close. They don't sound like that anymore. All right, let's listen. Complete exhaust, front to rear. Baby's running smooth. Alright, let me see. I may be able to get this one-handed. I think it's going to be a little bit tough. Of course, hood release right here in this beautiful lady. Going to have to lift it up and then lift the hood. So let me pause this a second. It's going to take both hands. We'll get this hood open, check out the engine bay. There we go. Hood open. If you can see much of that. It's painted black underneath it to match the car, and there it is. Single carb, as you can see. And again, 346 cubic inches. Say that's running pretty smooth. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Like I said, drive this one. Bet it goes down the road pretty nice. And speaking of which, we'll have Jason do that shortly. 1941 Cadillac Series 62 4-passenger coupe. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1941 Cadillac. This two-door with a sloping back end. All the curves in all the right places. Some of the most beautiful Cadillacs came from the 40s. Excuse me. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. As with most Cadillacs of this era, everything feels just right. It feels like they never age. The clutch, the way it shifts, the way the door closes is all just nice, I guess I would say. Clock over here now, I don't know that it is counting the minutes, but it matches the speedometer, which appears to be working. We're doing 35 miles an hour currently. Fuel gauge showing a little over a quarter of a tank of fuel. The oil pressure about 30 to 35 psi. There's a little slack in the steering, as you'd expect from a car of this age. It doesn't really affect your performance at all. The battery is charging 3/4 of the way up on the gauge. Now our temperature gauge still shows cold, but it hasn't been running very long. Nice smooth ride you'd expect from a Cadillac. Beautiful interior. The lower part looks to have been redone with a very nice gray. Headliner looking good, matching well. If you look close at the visors, it kind of seems like some of that material has survived. The steering wheel showing its age in beautiful ways, with little cracks. Some of that's just character for an old car like this. I'm going down all the way to first to come from the stop and do the circle here. Let's go to second. Steering is not difficult. Nice large steering wheel. Luxurious cornering. That beautiful hood ornament, probably one of the best hood ornaments ever were the Cadillacs of this era. From a time when there weren't that many cars being made, the early 40s, right in the middle of a world war. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1941 Cadillac two-door at uniqueclassiccars.com.